Hello everyone to Tech Safari and welcome to the Coding Safari Swift for an iOS 12. And since in the previous video we haven't tested our app, in this video we're going to test the basic storyboard that we have designed. So let's run it on an iPhone 6 simulator. So we'll wait for the simulator load up. Okay, as you can see, we can view this same thing on many devices, and as you can see, it's cropping the layout a little bit. That will fix it when we come to auto layout in a few videos. Okay, once we'll just run it again. Some error came. So as I was saying, we'll come back to auto layout in a few videos ahead. Then we'll see how to define design a unified layout for most of the devices, almost all of them. And here's my simulator up and running. And let's wait for the app to run now. So here we have a successful build. And the app is opening, and yeah, the app has opened. Yeah, here we have our app. Let's just make it a little bit big so that we can see it properly. Yeah. Let's just wait for it to. Yeah, it's going to take some. Let's just wait for it to load again. Yeah. Just gonna close it and open my project. Yeah, here now as you can see we have our text up and well displayed. We have a button, presently doesn't do anything. We'll set that in a few minutes. And here as you see, now we are able to see that the placeholder text has appeared. Now let's enter some text. So I'm going to enter MANAS. You could either use the virtual keyboard or you could use your normal keyboard. Just going to click the button. That's why we should always disable spell check when we're going for this. So yeah, now presently I'm not able to go back. I'm not able to hide the keyboard. I could just press Command K and that would just automatically close down the keyboard. Oops, yeah. Yeah. We have our image as well displayed very well. So yeah, our basic done works well and it's displaying well. Now in this video we're going to see how to make our first app. We're going to build up on this eco calculator and make a calculator that is able to calculate 2 digits. Yeah. So let me just let's start by first we'll just make this image view full screen, and I need few images, so I'm gonna import them. First I need a nice background. Yeah. I think yeah, that one. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I'm gonna paste it there, and I'm just gonna first rename that. I don't want such a big name. To background, yeah, that would suffice. Let's just say okay. Let's just delete that and just let's just I think it deleted that whole thing. Let's just open that, and yeah, we have a background. So let's just again drag it here so that Xcode recognizes our image asset. Yeah, we have it there, the background PNG. Now let's set that as our background for the app. So let's set the attribute for the image view to this background image. As you can see, now it's in the drop down list. And let's change its aspect fit to center. No, that wouldn't be better. And aspect fill, yeah, that looks good. So now let's just hide those navigation bars as we don't require them. Now oops, yeah, I'm just gonna send it at the top of that. Yeah, I think, yeah, that should be enough. Now we need to change the text color for that, as now it's difficult to read, and let's also make it a little bit bigger. And also change its color to white, yeah. And we'll also change that color to black, yeah. And also increase that size a little bit so that it's visible. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's remove that text field, and now let's even change this button color to white, or yeah, black. Black looks much better. Now I'm going to do just make multiple copies of this just by using copy and paste. Around 9 buttons for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the keypad, and also one more for 0. And I would also need these few icons, as I'm going to import them as image views. For my addition, subtraction, multiplication, I made a few images. You could just get them from the description below. Oh, I copied the Photoshop files. Okay, let's just drag in the Photoshop. Um, yeah, let me just import those images. Now, yeah, I'm going to set it to my original one. Yeah. So in the similar way, I'm going to just carry out all my images. Yeah, and change them according to their requirement. So as I said, now we'll discuss about the 3 buttons on the top right. So if we click on the second button, that will open the assistant editor, in which we can see both the storyboard as well as the Swift code side by side. And the third button just displays the code that is actually being created behind the storyboard, that is going to get us this perfect UI. In the next video, we'll see how to connect this storyboard to the code. Until then, keep playing with the UI and make your UI creative and imaginative as you want. Yeah.